Hello, today I want to share a couple of tips with you for using the Brother glue pen. The Brother glue pen is part of the foiling kit. Okay, so I've used this barrel for many years, and all I do is, rather than buy new glue pens from Brother, I refill it, and I'll talk about that in a moment. But first of all, let's talk about the pricing. So for two Brother glue pens, it works out to around approximately £12, somewhere between £10 and £12. So that's talking £6 a pen, which is really expensive. However, you can refill your Brother glue pen with the inner of a quickie glue pen. Now, don't take my word for it, just compare the two. You'll see that they're exactly the same. The only difference is the shape of the lids. Now, originally Brother was using the blue glue in the pen, but they've changed to white. But don't be fooled by that. The pens and the glue are exactly the same. They're made on the same production line in the Sakura factory. Okay, so let's have a look about refilling the glue pen first. So just going to take the lid off. So if you have a look at the nib, just under the nib where it meets the barrel, you'll see that there's a little notch. So if you just get your thumbnail under that notch, if I can see it, and just press upwards, you'll be able to get the old ink out of the pen. So now you have an empty barrel. So all I'm going to do is do the same with my quickie glue pen. I'm going to have a look and find the notch and do the same, get my fingernail in between the barrel and the nib and press upwards. And there you go. So we have our new glue, and all you do is you take the barrel and you reinsert the quickie, the glue from the quickie glue pen into the Brother holder, and remember to take the little nib off. So there's quite a price difference. As I say, the Brother glue pens are anywhere between £10 and £12 for a set of two. Quickie glue pens, I had a look, at the moment they retail for a set of three for £6.49. So it's approximately just over a third of the price cheaper using a quickie glue pen. So, you know, that's a lot better, I'm sure you'll agree. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I'll see you in another video.